Guys, just want to show you what I did today. I did a tea tablescape. It's very simple. I just pulled out whatever I have in my storage. I did it because I just want to have a start, I want to do something as a start. So I don't know if you like it, but yeah, hopefully you do. You can comment below and suggest anything, tell me anything. So guys, this centerpiece is made from this. So it has other pieces inside the box. I didn't touch it. I just grabbed these two pieces. So you can remove this thing here. I just added the pink burlap, and then this olive dish. You can modify it, do something about it. So I just thought, like, as a start, I will try to make a simple tea tablescape. I hope you like this. It's just very simple. I just grab anything what I have. I just want to start doing this, and you can throw your comment below. Any suggestions, appreciate it, and I can't wait to upload for more tablescapes projects. Little hearts scattered on the table. See, hopefully that works. And yeah, very simple presentation, guys. Everything I have here, I have them already. I didn't bought anything. It's not perfect, but I guess it's okay. Like, nothing in life is perfect, so, but I think it looks good. I don't know about you guys, but I'm just I'm happy with it, like as a start, something that I can look forward doing while I'm off work. I might be back to work soon, but I think it's a good start, to keep moving and be productive on a daily basis. So yeah, it's a very simple. You can put your comment below, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you and appreciate it. Yes. Guys, this is my second tablescape. Again, very simple. You can throw anything on the table. You can add more serving dish. This is just very simple. This is another way to show you how to reuse the materials that I used on the tea tablescape. So I just modified it. So I hope, guys, you learned something new today. I really hope that this simple and short tablescape presentation could give you new ideas. This is just very simple. You can leave your comment below, subscribe if you haven't done. Thank you for watching, guys. Until my next tablescape project. See ya.